Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open your workbook and select the worksheet or range you want checked. Press F7 or click Review, then choose Spelling to begin. Excel runs the check spelling dialog and highlights each potential error in turn. The tool reviews cells that contain text but skips formulas unless text is embedded. If no errors are found, Excel notifies you that the check is complete. You can stop and resume by rerunning F7 at any time. When the spelling dialog appears, you get clear option buttons to act. Choose Change to fix a single instance or Change All to fix all occurrences. Ignore Once leaves that instance alone, while Ignore All skips all instances in the sheet. Click Add to Dictionary to permanently accept a specific word across workbooks. Use Autocorrect to map frequent typos to corrected text during future typing. Each button updates the sheet immediately when selected. To customize spell check, open File, then Options, and go to Proofing Settings. Use these settings to enable or disable suggestions and to choose whether Excel flags repeated words. Set the editing language to ensure spelling rules match your region and to access appropriate dictionaries. Click Custom Dictionaries to add user lists, import Word files, or remove unwanted dictionaries. For shared workbooks, consider distributing a common custom dictionary to standardize spellings across collaborators.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.